Hello. He's making fun of the noise my camera makes whenever it turns on. Right now we completely wiped out my computer. Oh, where'd it go? There it is. My battery's dying again.
But you might notice here where it says status, we are online and communicating.
Boring. I had to wipe out my computer because of a virus. Not mad. No, not really. I have to install everything. But this gives me a chance to install Pinnacle Studio, which I will be editing this on, hopefully. Or he will. You'll see at the end of this video who edits it. Say bye, Pappy.
Bye, Pappy.
Okay, now we are... Yay! Pappy! Pappy!
Give me a break. What are you doing? Okay, look up.
Okay. There's my brother. Pause it for a second. We're too lazy to actually play in the real... Oh, he's eating a piece of blah blah blah. Jesus. We're watching home videos. There's him. Our mom's like nose and mouth. But I'm not in there because I wasn't allowed near him. You don't want to see me back then anyways. That's like really bad. Okay. Don't talk with your mouth full. Or nod.
Yum. My mouth wasn't full.
Yum. Okay. We're just waiting. Okay. Everybody. It's finally done. Yay. And of course the first website goes back on. My favorite website. Yay. And I'm watching Address Bean. Yay. Maybe. Okay. Wait. There we are. Okay. Yay. Okay, bye.